up slow. Stretch your arms and rub your eyes. Ready, set, let's go. Time to make the bed now. Pillow, sheet and sheet. Pull the blanket nice and smooth. Now the bed looks neat. Time to wash our faces. Splash, splash, splash. Dry it with a towel. Dash, dash, dash. Brush your tiny teeth now. Brush and brush away. Up and down and round, clean them every day. Time to eat our breakfast. Yummy, yummy food. Milk and toast and apples makes us feel so good. Drink a little water. Sip, sip, sip. Wipe your little mouth now. Drip, drip, drip. Time to put on clothing. Button, zip and tie. Shoes go on and socks go up. Ready, let's go try. Off to play and learn now. Run and jump and swing. Laugh and count and sing along. What a fun, fun thing. Circle time and reading stories 1 and 2. Learning shapes and colors, red and yellow too. Time to eat our lunch now. Bite and chew and chew. Rice and beans and veggies, healthy for me and you. Playtime in the afternoon. Draw and paint and glue. Cutting little papers, stick them as we do. Time to clean our playroom. Pick up toys and stack. Put them in their baskets. Everything goes back. Bath time in the evening. Splash and wash away. Bubbles, soap and water. What a lovely day. Dry your hair and body. Soft and fluffy towel. Comb your hair so gently. No more messy growl. Time for sleepy bedtime. Close your tired eyes. Good night, stars and moonlight. Dream up in the skies. Good night, little children. Good night, one and all. See you in the morning, answering the call.